Hello, my friend. Welcome. I'm Emma, and this is Talk and Learn English. And today I want to ask you something. What if just 10 minutes a day could change the way you speak English forever? What if your English could start sounding smoother, clearer, more natural? In only 10 days. Not months. Not years. Just 10 days. Sounds impossible? Maybe. But stay with me. 'Cause today is day one. And by the end of this challenge, you will already feel the first change. A small change. Like the first drop of rain before the storm. Small, but powerful. And this journey, we are doing it together. Learning English can feel heavy sometimes. Like climbing a mountain in the dark. You try. You study grammar. You memorize words. You watch videos. But when it's time to speak, your mind freezes. Your mouth becomes silent. And suddenly, all the words disappear. Have you ever felt that? I know that feeling. Many English learners feel like this. Maybe you feel alone, but you are not. That's why this challenge exists. Because shadowing is different. Shadowing is not about studying English. It's about living English, feeling English, breathing English, speaking with rhythm, speaking with confidence, like music, like waves touching the shore again and again. Today is our first step. And first steps matter, because every long road begins there. Years ago, I met a student. His name was Daniel. Daniel knew many English words. Hundreds, maybe thousands. But when he spoke, he stopped every few seconds. He was afraid. Afraid of mistakes. Afraid people would laugh. Afraid he was not good enough. One day he told me, "Emma, I feel like I have a fire inside me, but I can't let it out." That stayed with me. A fire trapped inside, like light hidden behind thick clouds. So I gave him one simple habit. Shadowing. 10 minutes every day. The first felt strange. He repeated slowly. He made mistakes. He felt embarrassed. But after 1 week, something changed. His voice became stronger. His pauses became shorter. His fear became smaller, like ice melting under sunlight. And that is why you are here. Maybe your fire is waiting too. So, what is shadowing? Simple. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately, like your voice is a shadow, always following, not thinking too much, just listening and copying. Why does it work? Because language is not only words. It is rhythm, sound, emotion, speed, connection. Think about a river. A river does not stop to think where to go. It flows. English should flow too. Not break. Not stop. Flow. And shadowing helps you build that flow. Lesson 2. Focus on sound, not perfection. Here is the truth. Perfection is dangerous. Why? Because it makes you afraid. Today, do not chase perfection. Chase sound. Chase rhythm. Listen like a musician. Repeat like an actor. Feel the sentence. For example, I'm going to the store. Native speakers don't always say, I'm going to the store. No, it becomes, I'm gonna go to the store. Faster, smoother, connected. That's real English. In a day, you will practice that. Lesson 3. Small sentences build big confidence. Big buildings start with small bricks. Same with English. Do not try to speak long, perfect paragraphs. Start small. Example. How are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm working. Simple, but powerful. because simple spoken well is stronger than complicated spoken badly. Remember that. Lesson 4. Emotion changes your English. Words are not dead. They carry feeling. Listen. I missed you. Now imagine saying it to a friend. Different, right? Now say it like you're angry. Different again. Emotion changes sound. This is important because shadowing is not just copying words. It is copying feeling. And feeling makes you sound alive. Like fire. Like wind. Like ocean waves crashing. Alive. Let's practice some real-life English. At a coffee shop. Can I have a coffee, please? Easy. At the supermarket. How much is this? Simple. Meeting someone. Nice to meet you. Asking for help. Can you help me? These small sentences, they are keys. Keys open doors. And every sentence you learn opens a new door in your life. Now, this is your moment. Here's how to do it. Listen. Pause. Repeat after me. Not once. 3 times. Ready? Sentence 1. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn. Pause. Say it again. I'm ready to learn. One more time. I'm ready to learn. Good. Sentence 2. English is becoming easier for me. Again. English is becoming easier for me. English is becoming easier for me. One more. English is becoming easier for me. Great. Sentence 3. I speak with confidence every day. I speak with confidence every day. Again. I speak with confidence every day. One more time. I speak with confidence every day. Beautiful. Now, the shadowing paragraph. Listen first. Then repeat with me. Ready? Every day, I am getting better at English. Sometimes the road feels long, and sometimes I feel tired. But step by step, word by word, I keep moving forward. Like the moon follows the night, my progress follows my effort. I trust the process and I trust myself. Good. Now again. Every day, I am getting better at English. Sometimes the road feels long, and sometimes I feel tired. But step by step, word by word, I keep moving forward. Like the moon follows the night, my progress follows my effort. I trust the process and I trust myself. Feel the rhythm. Feel the emotion. Let the words move through you. Not around you. Through you. I want you to hear this carefully. Learning English is not a race. It's a road. Some days are sunny. Some days are rain. Some days feel like storms. And storms are loud, messy, heavy. But storms do not last forever. The sky always clears. Your mistakes, they are not proof you are failing. They are proof you are walking. Think about fire. Fire does not become strong in 1 second. It grows. Slowly, quietly. Then suddenly, it burns bright. That is your English. Right now, maybe it feels small. A tiny flame. But if you protect it, feed it, practice every day, it will grow. And one day, you will speak without fear. Like standing on top of a mountain, looking back, realizing how far you climbed. Maybe today feels small, but small things matter. A single drop can start an ocean. A single step can start a journey. A single word can change a life. Maybe today, that word is yours. Here is your homework for today. Simple. Take your phone. Record yourself saying these 3 sentences. I'm ready to learn. English is becoming easier for me. I speak with confidence every day. Listen to your voice. Do not judge it. Just listen. Tomorrow, record again. And compare. That is how you see growth. Like footprints in the sand. One step, then another, until the whole beach tells your story. Do this for 10 days. No skipping. Promise yourself. Can you do that? Good. And that's day 1. You showed up. That matters. More than you know. Because showing up is the hardest part. Tomorrow, day 2 will be deeper. We will work on natural speed. How native speakers connect words. How they sound fast, without sounding difficult. And trust me, it will change how you listen forever. So don't miss it. If this lesson helped you, like this video, subscribe to Talk and Learn English. And write in the comments, Day 1 complete. I want to see you there. I want to walk this road with you. Until your English becomes light, strong, free, like the sunrise after a long night. I'm Emma, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.